where I want to reach a desired successful level in my life. The point, the place where I am at today, I'm striving hard every day, but I'm unable to reach that place. What to do, yaar?
It's not only you who wants to reach the desired success level. Don't you see, in society almost everybody is trying hard to reach a desired success level, but how many of them reach them? You know what? You got to leave your comfort zone if you want to reach the desired success level. You got to finish your comfort zone. It's the only thing that is your comfort zone that is stopping you, Sarthak. Your desired success level begins with the end of your haven't you also been plied with similar kind of philosophies about comfort zone? Don't you also find your brain unknowingly programmed to fight this comfort zone? You know what? The society has taught us to treat this comfort zone as a misfortune to us. But it sounds crazy, it sounds strange that comfort zone is the first stage of reaching performance zone. But a lot many people remain confused about this comfort zone. They end up fighting this comfort zone. They end up trying to leave and avoid this comfort zone. In this video, I'm going to help you understand the importance of comfort zone. I would start with a very basic example. You all must have purchased new shoes, and you remember, until and unless you became comfortable in those shoes, you were unable to run faster, you were unable to run better, perform well. Second example, I would take, suppose you are traveling from one place to another place, and the route you are choosing is first time when you are choosing that route, and how you are going to behave on that route. You would be absolutely vigilant to the pits you are going to come across, to the turns you are supposed to take, and to the signages that are placed on your route. But if you do or take the same route 20th time, you would be very much confident. You would be able to estimate the time you are going to reach your destination. You would be able to compete with somebody if somebody is racing with you. This is how, when you achieved your comfort zone, you became confident of your performance outcome. So guys, stop remaining confused about this comfort zone. It is actually the basic milestone that everybody has to go through. But if you remain confused about it, you might, out of confusion, take wrong decisions and put yourself into suffering. So rather than choosing foolish decisions to put yourself into suffering, take wiser decisions to appreciate your comfort zone, take advantages of the benefits being in your comfort zone, and then start to skyrocket into the performance zone. That's something I just wanted to convey. Thank you so much for watching.